What's up, guys? It's Brock here with part 2 at IKEA. If you guys want, make sure to go watch the first one, and then you're gonna find out what happens in a little bit. Alright, I've been building on the fort. Alright. It's pretty nice. It's inside there, and then you can go up. It's pretty fun. The most things they can tell me is to get out of IKEA. And I think we're leaving soon. But see, I can go straight up. I just can't get caught. They already saw me and they were looking for where I went. But we're gonna get up here. We're gonna get up on the second floor. Because we look, we're up on the second floor. It's right here. This is my laundry suite. And if they come, I kind of just jump down right here. And hopefully nobody takes something. Oh, you guys can't see me. My bad. Here somebody comes. It's pretty lit, like, so I can get up there, go to the second floor. I can go all the way to the third floor. Yo, they're looking. Oh, she's right there. Crap. I don't know if we should. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to get caught. I'm kind of the kid that I get scared if I have that gutty feeling. Not a good feeling. I'm gonna set the phone right here. You guys can watch me. I'm gonna get up there. It's pretty lit. I wish you guys could be here. I have to do this again. Wait, come back here. Alright, you ready? We can go like all the way up there. And keep going. See, if I set you guys right here, you guys can still see me. It's pretty. I wish Tanner Fox would be here. Here we go. Alright, you guys are gonna come up here. Look, we're on the third floor. You can see them. So you see that blanket up there? Right there? Alright, well, I'll show you a highway in a minute. think they literally almost saw me. I was on the third floor. There's no coverage. We're out of there. Oh my god. That's super sketchy. Oh god, that was so scary. I'll show you. Oh yeah, you guys want to see that blanket? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like things up from the floor. We were on the third one. Okay, the blankets on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 6. I counted them. Okay, those people. I was right there, right here. I was right here. Wait. Hold up. We're about to go see. Alright, no, I was right. Alright. I was right there. I was up on that third one. The blanket's right there. That's how high I was. Like, from the ground. From the ground up, you can barely see it. But it's all the way up there. That was pretty lit. Pretty scary, though. I think those guys saw me. And there's people coming. I don't know if you see them. Dude, literally go so high. I wish somebody would come here. Where was that? Oh, it was right there. I was next to the paint up there. That's crazy. We're gonna see if we can go up there. Look, sorry, it's going. Alright, ready? Here we go. Yours is it. Oh crap. There's 2 guys that just came looking for me. They said somebody saw me, I guess. Look, I'm gonna show you. Ready? Let's follow them. What do they think they saw me? I don't wanna do this, but it's for you guys. Oh my god. They're seriously looking for me. That is crazy. Oh.
And then you write this report up.
Yeah, all the rest of it will be in the mess.
I'm so glad I got out there when I did. They would have found me. I would have been dead. My mom would kill me. She doesn't. Oh my god. I just found the best voice ever. Wait. Somebody looking. Dude. It is so. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. Somebody just about caught me again. But I was gonna go all the way up there. Hey, I'll do this again with my friend Nick. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I know it's the trust. Thank you guys. See you guys later. Love you guys.